This tool comes in the toolkit that comes with your Ranger. So Polaris is basically telling you, hey, go get some free lift, bro. Howdy, y'all. Today's video is all about ground clearance. So we've got the new Ranger and we're getting it set up the way that we like it, that we want it. And I want to show a trick that is 100% free that will give your Ranger a lift. Now, I don't know how many inches we're gonna get, but I do know that it's gonna work. I've known a lot of people that have Rangers. I only have met one person that knows this trick. So I thought making a video on how this works so that you can do it yourself and get some free ground clearance added to your Ranger. What we'll do first is we'll measure the ground clearance as it comes with the Ranger. I haven't done anything. It's got the stock tires that come with it. And so we'll take the tape measure and we'll see what kind of ground clearance we'll get from the front, the rear, and the side. And then I'll show you how you can get some extra ground clearance, aka free lift kit. All right, let's see what kind of ground clearance we have from the front. Just measuring sort of the front bumper. We're at about 13 1/4. Okay, this is the right side just behind the B pillar, and we'll call it 13. It's basically 13 inches exactly. And this is at the rear receiver hitch. That's 13 inches exactly. The first thing that we're going to need to do is get the tires off and get this thing lifted in the air. Okay, folks, here's the secret. It's this right here. So you see this little notch, or this protrusion that's in this notch? It's in the lowest setting. We need to get this piece twisted all the way around to where this protrusion is in this notch, and we'll see what happens. To do that, we're going to use this tool. This tool comes in the toolkit that comes with your Ranger. So Polaris is basically telling you, hey, go get some free lift, bro. The tool hooks into these little notches. It's a little bit sketch, but it works. And then you just twist. All right, let's see if we can make this happen. All right, we've gotten 2 so far. There we go. We're in the bottom position. That's one corner done. Front done. Now to the rear. Three sides done. I can already tell visually that made a difference for sure. It just looks a whole lot more aggressive in its stance. Okay, moment of truth. Let's get out the tape measure. Dang. 15. Not bad. Now to the side. 14 3/4, 14 1/2. Well, there you go. Basically, I'm going to call it an 1.5 inch free lift kit that comes with your Ranger. Hey, thanks for watching another video. Hope you liked it. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, watch all the videos. We'll see you next time.